Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to compare two popular air fryers in the market, the Ninja DZ401 air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. The Ninja DZ401 air fryer is priced at $199, while the Gourmia air fryer oven is priced at $117. The Gourmia air fryer oven comes at a more affordable price, but both air fryers offer different features and capacities. The Ninja DZ401 air fryer has an XL family-sized capacity with two independent 5QT zones, whereas the Gourmia air fryer oven has a larger 8QT basket capacity for whole meals. Both air fryers are ideal for large family meals, but the Gourmia air fryer oven has a larger capacity for those looking to cook bigger meals. The Ninja DZ401 air fryer has 6 versatile cooking programs, which include air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, while Gourmia air fryer oven has 12 one-touch digital presets, which include cooking functions like French fries, wings, vegetables, etc. Both air fryers have many cooking options to choose from, but the Gourmia air fryer oven offers more one-touch presets for easy cooking. The Ninja DZ401 air fryer assures up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods, which is tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. It is easy to clean with easy-to-clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. The Gourmia air fryer oven uses fat removal technology in the air fryer basket, which removes up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. It is also dishwasher-safe for quick and easy cleanup. Both air fryers offer a healthier way of cooking, but Gourmia air fryer oven has slightly more efficient fat removal technology. The Ninja DZ401 air fryer doesn't have information about comprehensive warranty coverage, whereas the Gourmia air fryer oven includes a 1-year comprehensive international warranty for your peace of mind. If you're looking for a more secure purchase, the Gourmia air fryer oven gives you that additional security with its comprehensive warranty. That's it for our comparison between the Ninja DZ401 air fryer and the Gourmia air fryer oven. Both air fryers have their strengths and are great choices depending on your individual needs. We hope you found this comparison helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.